Hello everyone, we are going to discuss about the previous year question of Corporate Accounting 2 from University of Madras. In April 2013, the subject code is BPW4A Part B. This question is holding company chapters, account chapters. Let me read the question. H Limited acquired the shares of S Limited on 1/1/1996. On that date, the profit and loss account of S Limited had a credit balance of ₹1,000 and in reserve ₹3,000. Prepare a consolidated balance sheet from the following. Balance sheet as on 31st/12/1996. In the liability side, share capital ₹10 each. For H Limited 1 lakh rupee and for S Limited 50,000. Reserve 10,000 to H Limited, 5,000 to S Limited. Profit and loss account 10,000 to H Limited, 4,000 to S Limited. Sundry creditors 5,000 to H Limited, 4,000 to S Limited. The total liabilities are 1,25,000 to H Limited, 63,000 to S Limited. And in the asset side, sundry assets 60,000 to H Limited, 63,000 to S Limited. Investments 4,000 shares in S Limited, 65,000 rupees to H Limited, no value to S Limited. The total assets are 1,25,000 to H Limited and 63,000 to S Limited. And the notes, H Limited is a holding company or purchasing company. S Limited is a subsidiary company or selling company. Capital profit is before acquisition profit. Revenue profit is after acquisition profit. Based on this information, we are going to prepare the holding minority ratio, capital profit ratio and revenue profit ratio. First we are going to prepare the holding minority ratio. H Limited acquired 4,000 shares from S Limited on 1/1/1996. This information is from the asset side in H Limited in balance sheet. That is investment 4,000 shares in S Limited in asset side of H Limited's balance sheet. The total number of shares of S Limited equal to 5,000. Holding portion of shares equal to 4,000. Minority portion of shares equal to total shares of S Limited minus holding portion of shares of H Limited is 4,000. So 5,000 minus 4,000, we get the difference amount of 1,000, that is called minority portion of shares. So the holding minority ratio is 4,000 is to 1,000 or 4:1 or 4/5 for holding portion and 1/5 for minority portion. Then we are going to prepare the capital profit. S Limited subsidiary 1/1/1996, it is opening date. The profit and loss account on 1/1/1996 is 1,000 and the reserve on 1/1/1996 is 3,000. So the total is 4,000, that is called capital profit. It is also called before acquisition profit. So the holding portion of capital profit equal to 4,000 multiplied with 4/5. The amount is ₹3,200. And minority portion of capital profit equal to 4,000 multiplied with 1/5, we get 800. Then we are going to prepare the revenue profit. S Limited subsidiary 31st/12/1996. It is the total. The total reserve as per the balance sheet from S Limited is 5,000 and the total profit and loss account from S Limited balance sheet, the amount is ₹4,000. So the total is 9,000. It means 5,000 plus 4,000, we get 9,000 is the total profit and reserve. Then we have to less the capital profit, which we have already found. The amount is ₹4,000. Will be less with the above amount of 9,000. So 9,000 minus 4,000, we get the different value or left value is 5,000. That is called revenue profit. Then holding portion of revenue profit equal to 5000 multiply with 4 by 5, we get 4000. Then minority portion of revenue profit equal to 5000 multiply with 1 by 5, we get 1000. That's all.